Is it going right now?
Yep, we're recording. It's live.
Oh.
It's live.
Live at Russ's Market, right?
Yep, Russ's Market.
33rd Highway 2?
That's where we are.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Hey, good morning, guys. We are today at Russ's Market on 33rd and Highway 2 for our next episode of Food 411. I'm here with Mike Domgard.
How's it going? Usually I'm on the other side of the camera, so...
Yes.
Whatever.
He's the man with the talent, and he likes donuts as much as I do, so he thought he'd join me.
Yeah, who doesn't love donuts?
I know, right?
They're pretty much God's creation, so...
All right, well, we're going to go ahead and get started. We do have 3 rules that we follow for this series. And the first rule is they can't know that we're coming ahead of time. There's yours. The second rule is we're doing raised donuts with the chocolate frosting. And what's the third rule?
Well, the third rule's the hardest for me because it's only one bite. But I like to eat the whole donut. It's nothing but the donut.
I know. I agree. I love donuts. Okay.
If we just do this, then I can zoom in.
Okay.
Yay. All right,
There's
cool.
our donuts.
All right. These look pretty good, actually.
These do. I agree. Let me set this down really quick here. No, they're a good thickness, I would say.
Yeah, I'm actually pleasantly surprised by the appearance.
Yeah, I am too. Good proportion of icing on the donut itself. All right.
Cool.
All right, ready to go?
Cheers. Yeah, let's try this. Let's get it done.
I like it.
The chocolate didn't dissipate right away. Like some of the other places we've gone, maybe the chocolate just wasn't there the whole time.
Yeah.
But I felt like this is more like a fudge.
Yeah.
Like a chocolate fudge frosting, maybe.
I agree.
But one bite. Damn it.
I know. I really want to take another bite too.
That's the dumbest rule.
I know.
Why do we do that rule?
I feel like I need another bite to like fully assess the donut.
I agree. I think we might have to adjust that moving forward.
I know. Let's just do it now.
All right, cool. All right.
Good. I feel like the donut itself is a little on the sweet side. It's hard for me to differentiate the frosting from the donut and sweetness, if that makes sense.
So it does make sense. I agree. It's not the batter itself. Yeah, the actual.
Yeah, the donut itself, I feel like is just a tad on the sweet side. You think?
Yeah, I think so.
It's a good
Just a little
consistency,
bit.
though.
It's not too dense.
Nope. I like it. It's
I don't
nice
taste
and
a lot of grease or fat or anything, which is
yeah,
nice.
it's kind of a fluffier donut, which is nice. So, all
This
right.
is pretty good. I mean,
Yeah,
really.
I know. I think
It's a
I will
good,
be
solid
finishing this
donut.
one.
I know.
All right. Well,
I don't know. What do you think?
let's see here. I want to keep eating the donut, so that's a good sign. I'm going to go ahead and give it a 7.
I was gonna go 7.5. I think
7.5. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Want to split the difference?
Well, that's normally what we do here, right? We split the difference.
Or you could fight for your 7.5 if you want. No, they're good. I'd go with 7.5 too.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think that's a good, solid donut. I would buy these and bring them to the office and not be embarrassed that I brought these.
I agree.
So
7.5?
Cool. 7.5.
All right, 7.5 it is. Thanks for tuning in with us today for another episode of Food 411. Mike Domgard, Jeni Meyer, and don't forget to follow our Homegrown page on Facebook and Instagram for more food, fun, and giveaways. See ya!